In today's video, we're breaking down GoHighLevel templates library and how it helps to reuse pages, emails, and workflows instead of rebuilding everything from scratch every single time. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever felt like you're constantly recreating the same funnels, rewriting the same emails, or rebuilding the same automations, this feature exists to take that weight off your plate. By the end of this video, you'll understand what the templates library actually includes, how people use it in real business and agencies, and how to think about templates in a way that's going to save you time without making your systems feel generic or copy pasted. Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and start off with the basics, just really diving into what GoHighLevel templates actually are. So the GoHighLevel templates library is a built-in feature inside GoHighLevel that lets you save, organize, and reuse system assets. These assets can include funnel pages, website pages, email templates, and entire workflows. Instead of starting from a blank page every time you want to build something, the template library allows you to pull from things you've already created or from templates that already exist inside the platform. These templates act as starting points that you can then adjust to fit a specific offer, client, or use case. At its core, this feature helps turn your work into assets instead of one-off tasks. Now let's talk about some of the key features. One of the biggest features of the template library is reusability. Once you build something that works, whether that's a page layout, an email structure, or an automation flow, you can save it and reuse it as many times as you want. Another key feature is consistency. When you reuse templates, your systems follow the same logic and structure every time. This makes them easier to manage, easier to troubleshoot, and easier to scale. The templates library also just helps reduce decision fatigue. You're no longer deciding everything from scratch. Instead of asking what should this look like or how should this flow, you're starting from something that already makes sense. And most importantly, templates are fully editable. You're never locked into what you save. You're always in control of the final result. Now, let's talk about why templates matter so much more as you grow. Early on, building everything from scratch can feel manageable and honestly fun sometimes. You're only creating a few pages, sending a handful of emails, and running simple workflows. But as your business grows, repetition is going to increase. You'll start noticing patterns, the same onboarding emails, the same follow-up logic, the same layouts. Without templates, this repetition turns into wasted time. Templates turn repetition into leverage. So instead of rebuilding, you just reuse. Instead of rewriting, you refine. That shift alone can save hours every single week. For agencies, templates also protect quality. When systems are reused instead of reinvented, fewer mistakes are going to slip through and delivery stays very consistent across clients. Now let's dive into GoHighLevel so you can actually see where some of these templates live. If you want to follow along, we do have a link down below that will give you access to an extended 30-day free trial rather than the normal 14-day. Once you click that link, you'll go ahead and click Start Extended Free Trial. From there, you'll enter in your company name, full name, email address, and phone number. And then step 2, you do have to go ahead and put your credit card information in, but you won't be charged until the 30 days is up. So just make sure you set an alarm or reminder or calendar on day 28 or 29 to ensure that you don't miss that. Now, once you are in GoHighLevel, this is what it looks like. So we've got the dashboard here. We've got conversations, we've got calendars, we've got contacts, we've got opportunities, payments, marketing, automation, sites, and so much more. So the templates all live in where you would access them, right? It's not just one specific templates library. So for example, if you want to create an email, you can go ahead and navigate to the email marketing templates. Then, as you can see, all of your templates are right here. If you want to create a new one, you can go ahead and create a new one right here. You can start from blank, and then you can go ahead and save it as a template. They also have so many templates in here that you can choose from. So if you want to maybe start with a template, make it your own, and then save it as your own custom template, you can go ahead and do that too. So maybe you're in beauty and fashion, and you want to create a newsletter. So find something that you like the vibe of. You can change the colors and the text, so just remember that. But find something that you kind of like the layout. That's a little bit more challenging to change. Okay, maybe you like this one. We'll go ahead and add that template. Okay, so now you'll want to customize this completely, and then you'll want to rename this as, maybe newsletter template skincare. Okay, and then as soon as you are done editing everything, you'll click Save Template. Now, as you can see in our template section, we've got the newsletter template skincare. So you can go ahead and in automations, it's really easy to just pull this template in, or you can clone it and send a one-off. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and navigate to automation. So this is another portion of GoHighLevel that has so many amazing templates. They actually call them recipes, but once you go to create workflow, select from template, as you can see, they have so many right here. So these are all the templates. You'll also be able to see your templates right here. Essentially, it's the same thing. All of these templates in here, we've got appointment booking, Facebook Messenger, FAQ auto reply. There's so many recipes, and you can really search based on categories too. So maybe you want to convert a lead. They've got some recipes in here. Maybe it's a customer appointment. You can go ahead and customize this. So if you choose this template, so you can always duplicate it as necessary. So maybe you save this as workflow template, do not delete, just in case. You can click save. That way we've got our template, okay? And then you can duplicate it from here. Then lastly, I just wanted to touch on funnels and websites. So the way templates essentially work, what you can do is duplicate or clone things, okay? So let's just say you create a funnel from a specific template, right? Maybe you want to choose this one. Then again, exactly what we just did with the automation, you're gonna go ahead and save it as whatever you wanna name it template. So that way no one deletes it, and then you can clone it as necessary. Same thing with websites if you ever needed to do that. The key idea is that templates are meant to speed up creation, not eliminate thinking. You're using them as a starting point, not publishing them untouched. One last thing I wanted to touch on is templates versus snapshots. So templates and snapshots often can be confused, but they do serve different purposes. Templates are individual assets, and snapshots are full system packages. Templates are best when you want flexibility. You can mix and match pages, emails, and workflows as needed. Snapshots, on the other hand, are better when you want a full system deployed at once. Many agencies use both. Templates for daily building and snapshots for onboarding new clients. Understanding the difference is going to help you use each tool more effectively. Now let's dive into some of the pros and cons. One of the biggest pros of the GoHighLevel templates is time savings. Reusing pages, emails, and workflows dramatically reduce build time and mental load. Another major benefit is consistency. When systems are built from the same foundation, they behave much more predictably. This makes troubleshooting and scaling so much easier. Templates also reduce burnout. You're no longer making these same decisions repeatedly, which is going to free up so much mental space for strategy and growth. On the downside, templates can feel a bit generic if they're not customized. Publishing them without edits can make messaging feel flat or impersonal. There's also an upfront investment of time. You do need to build and refine good templates before they become powerful. But once they exist, the time savings compound very quickly. Next, we're going to touch on the pricing and then some bonus tips after that. So they do have a couple of different pricing options here. We've got the Starter, Unlimited, and SaaS Pro. So the starter plan is $97 per month, and you get everything that GoHighLevel offers, from online booking to pipelines to social calendar, website builder, and all the templates in between. You also get unlimited contacts and users, and you can set up to 3 sub-accounts. Then we've got the Unlimited plan, which is $297 per month. With this, you get everything in the starter plan, but you get API access, unlimited sub-accounts, and a branded desktop app. And lastly is the SaaS Pro, which is $497 per month. With this, you get everything in unlimited, but you get auto sub-account creation, and then rebilling is enabled. Okay, now let's talk about some bonus tips. So one helpful tip is to build templates based on what you repeat most often. Start with the assets you use every week instead of trying to template everything at once. It's also smart to keep templates simple. Overcomplicated templates are harder to reuse and harder to adjust later. Also, naming templates clearly is another big one. Clear naming is going to save so much time and prevent confusion when you're building quickly. You can also version your templates as they improve. Saving updated versions protects systems that already work while letting you refine new ones. And finally, remember that templates are living assets. As your business evolves, your templates should evolve as well. Overall, if you want to move faster, reduce repetitive work, and keep your systems consistent, using templates and GoHighLevel is absolutely worth it. If you rarely repeat processes or only build things once, templates may feel a bit less useful, but most growing businesses benefit from reuse sooner than they expect. I know how overwhelming it can feel when you're constantly rebuilding systems and trying to remember what worked last time. But templates really help remove that pressure and turn your work into reusable assets instead of one-off tasks. If you want to check out GoHighLevel and explore all of their templates, we do have a link down in the description below. And just as a reminder, that link will give you an extended 30-day free trial. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you master GoHighLevel so you can build smarter systems without confusion. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.